What is up? Today we are going to have a quick video about software update 2021.12.25.7. It looks like it is just a minor update, but we're going to go ahead and check and see what we got. So there it is, 2021.12.25.7. Looks like all we got was a new game, Skyforce Reloaded, and new language support. So that's nice if you need those languages, so that's good. But mainly just a game. So it doesn't even have a mention of minor improvements to the software or anything about autopilot or anything. So I'm pretty surprised that really, I mean, it is a point release, but we haven't had any releases in so long that had really anything significant, and it doesn't even have a mention of minor bug fixes or anything, so that's kind of surprising. But let's check out Skyforce Reloaded and see what kind of game that is. All right, so there's Skyforce Reloaded. It does support 1 to 2 players with a controller or the touchscreen, so definitely using the touchscreen because I don't have a controller in here. Maybe at some point I'll have to try to actually connect a controller and see if that works. Didn't have much luck with that in the past. But it looks like just a classic arcade game where you just have the little spaceship there or whatever shooting from the bottom up on the screen and for points. So kind of game that I actually used to like back in the day. So let's just see what it looks like. And there it is. It's actually got a load. Looks like it loads pretty fast though. Maybe I should take that back. It's not super fast. There it is. Let's see if we can get it. So I actually don't know when this game came out, Skyforce Reloaded. It definitely looks like maybe a Super Nintendo. Looks like a lot more advanced than that, probably. I think it's PlayStation or something. Alright, yeah, so that's a pretty fun game. Could definitely waste some time at a supercharger or something. Yeah, so that's a pretty fun game actually. I was surprised. I could definitely see myself using that as a supercharger or something like that when maybe I had some time to kill. Honestly, even on road trips these days, I haven't had a whole lot of time to really use anything, because by the time you go to the bathroom, come back to the supercharger, you're pretty much done charging. So really, I don't spend a whole lot of time in the car not doing something other than making videos. So, oh well, I mean, it's a pretty cool game, fun. I might want to play it a little bit sometime when I get a chance. And as far as I know, that is really the only update from this version of the software. I have heard that we have another one coming out soon, which might have some nice features in it, but I don't have it yet. So whenever that comes, I will post a video about that. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.